In this part, we'll see how you can just reverse a video in Filmora. You can also create boomerang kind of effects. Let's simply just import a video. So I'll select this video here and I'll import it into this timeline. And I'm just clicking on don't change. Now I'll find the position from where I need the video. So I need it from here. So I'll just hit Ctrl P to split it and delete the starting portion, and I'll select the portion of the video till where I need it. So I need it till here, and I'll hit Ctrl B again and I'll delete the rest of this portion. So what I can do is either I can simply select this, click on this option here, speed, and I can just click on reverse and click on yes, and let's play it. Now you can see that the dog is moving in reverse. I'll play it once again. Right? So what I'll do is I'll just Ctrl Z it, means undo it. Instead, I will make two copies of it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V and Ctrl V. So now I have three copies of this video, the same video, and I'll select the middle copy of this video and just select reverse. So now let's see this effect. If your video is not playing smoothly, you can just change the playback option here, quality. I'll just put it to 1/4, and now let's play and check it out. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot.